Miraculous Quran, timeless revelation, scientific phenomena foretold. Quran, Surah 4, Ayah 174. O mankind, there has come to you a conclusive proof from your Lord, and we have sent down to you a clear light. Surah 17, Ayah 88. Say, if mankind and the jinn gathered in order to produce the like of this Quran, they could not produce the like of it, even if they helped one another. Peace be upon you. Welcome to a journey through the magnificence of the Quran, a divine text revealed in the year 632 CE, almost 1,400 years ago, that holds profound wisdom and insights. In this video, we will explore some of the many scientific phenomena described in the Quran were only recently discovered by modern science. From the development of the human embryo to the mysteries of the expanding universe, the Quran contains knowledge that continues to astonish scholars and scientists alike. As you watch, you'll witness the remarkable alignment between ancient scripture and scientific discoveries, proving that the wisdom of the Quran transcends time and continues to inspire wonder in the modern world. Be sure to watch the video till the end, as it contains an important message for you. The origin of the universe, Big Bang Theory. The Quran describes the origin of the universe as a singularity before it expanded, which is consistent with the modern Big Bang. Quran chapter 21 Ayah 30. Have those who disbelieved not considered that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, and we separated them? Scientific discovery. The Big Bang Theory, developed in the 20th century, posits that the universe began as a singularity and has been expanding ever since. This groundbreaking scientific theory echoes the Quranic description of the heavens and the earth being initially joined. The expanding universe, cosmology. The Quran mentions that the universe is expanding, a concept only confirmed in 1929 by astronomer Edwin Hubble. Quran chapter 51 Ayah 47. And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed, we are its expander. Scientific discovery. In 1929, Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies are receding from each other, proving that the universe is expanding. This revelation laid the foundation for the Big Bang Theory and modern cosmology, aligning with the Quranic description made in the year 632 CE, almost 1,400 years ago, which suggests that the universe began as a singularity and continues to expand. Water as the origin of all living things, biology. The Quran highlights water as the origin of all living things, a fact supported by modern biology only in the 19th century. Quran chapter 21 Ayah 30. And we made from water every living thing. Then will they not believe? Scientific discovery. In the 19th century, scientists confirmed that water is vital to the function of all living cells, supporting life through biochemical processes. Science now fully understands that water is essential for life, playing a critical role in cellular function and the survival of organisms. As the medium in which most biological reactions occur, water's importance aligns with the Quranic assertion about its significance for life. Mountains as stabilizers for the earth, geology. Quran chapter 78 Ayah 6 and 7. Have we not made the earth as a wide expanse and the mountains as pegs? Quran chapter 16 Ayah 15. And he has set up on the earth mountains standing firm, lest it should shake with you. The Quran describes mountains as pegs that stabilize the earth, which aligns with modern geological understanding of how mountains play a role in stabilizing tectonic plates, preventing excessive movement. Scientific discovery. In the 20th century, the theory of plate tectonics revealed that mountains act like stabilizing pegs, anchoring the Earth's crust and reducing its movement. This discovery confirms the Quran's description of mountains serving as stabilizers. Barrier between salt and fresh water, oceanography. Quranic chapter 25 Ayah 53. It is he who has let free the two bodies of flowing water, one palatable and sweet, and the other salty and bitter, yet he has made a barrier between them, a partition that is forbidden to be passed. The Quran describes a barrier preventing saltwater and freshwater from fully mixing due to salinity differences. Scientific discovery. In the 20th century, oceanographers discovered haloclines, layers of water that act as a boundary between freshwater and saltwater, preventing them from mixing. This supports the Quranic reference to the existence of a barrier between the two types of water. Stages of human embryonic development, embryology. Quran chapter 23 ayah 12-14. Verily, we created man of an extract of clay, then we placed him as a drop, of seed or sperm drop, in a firm lodging, i.e., the womb, then we made the sperm into a clot of congealed blood alaka, leech-like structure, then of that clot alaka into a mudghah, chewed substance, we made a fetus, lump, then we made out of that lump bones and clothed the bones with flesh, then we developed out of it another creature. So blessed be Allah, the best to create. Scientific discovery on elements found in clay are also found in the human body. Biochemists and researchers have found that the human body consists of essential elements such as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and minerals like iron, calcium, potassium, and magnesium, all of which are found in soil and clay. This connection suggests a scientific basis for the Quran's description. Scientific discovery on embryology. Embryology as a scientific field developed in the 17th to 20th centuries, where it was discovered that human development occurs in distinct stages in the womb, mirroring the Quranic descriptions of the embryo's transformation. The protective ozone layer, atmospheric science. Quran chapter 21 ayah 32. And we made the sky a protected ceiling, but they, from its signs, are turning away. Quran refers to the sky as a protective layer, shielding life on Earth. Modern science has shown is related to the ozone layer which filters harmful solar radiation. This discovery was made in the early 20th century, validating the Quranic description. Scientific discovery. In 1913, scientists discovered the ozone layer, a key part of the atmosphere that protects life on Earth by absorbing harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. This protective role of the atmosphere matches the Quranic description of the sky as a protected ceiling. Iron sent down from the stars, metallurgy. Quran chapter 57 ayah 25. And we sent down iron, wherein is mighty power as well as many benefits for mankind. The Quran states that iron was sent down to Earth. Modern astrophysics reveals that iron is not native to Earth but was formed in stars and delivered here through supernova explosions. Scientific discovery. In the 20th century, scientists discovered that iron is formed in the cores of massive stars and released into space through supernova explosions, then dispersed throughout the universe, including to Earth. This confirms the Quran's statement that iron was sent down. The four seasons of Earth, meteorology and earth science. Quran chapter 39 ayah 21. Sayest thou not that Allah sends down rain from the sky, and leads it through springs in the earth? Then he causes to grow, therewith, produce of various colors, then it withers, thou wilt see it grow yellow, then he makes it dry up and crumble away. Truly, in this, is a message of remembrance to men of understanding. The Quran describes the cyclical process of rain nurturing the earth and leading to the growth of crops, which then wither and dry, symbolizing the changing seasons. This reflects the natural phenomenon of the four seasons, which was later scientifically explained through the Earth's axial tilt and its orbit around the Sun. Scientific discovery. The 16th and 17th centuries saw the scientific explanation of how Earth's axial tilt and orbit around the Sun create the four seasons. Rainfall, plant growth, and the changes in crop conditions are directly related to these seasonal cycles, aligning with the Quran's description of the process. Alternation of night and day, astronomy. Quran chapter 39 ayah 5. He created the heavens and earth in truth. He wraps the night over the day and wraps the day over the night and has subjected the sun and the moon, each running its course for a specified term. Scientific discovery. The alternation of day and night is caused by the Earth's rotation, a fact established in the 16th century by scientists like Copernicus and Galileo. As the Earth spins on its axis, different parts of the planet experience light from the sun, creating the cycle of day and night. This discovery aligns with the Quran's description of the wrapping of night and day around each other. Relativity of time, physics. Quran, chapter 70 ayah 4. The angels and the Spirit will ascend to him during a day the extent of which is 50,000 years. Scientific discovery. In the early 20th century, Albert Einstein's theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding of time, showing that time is not absolute but can vary based on speed and gravitational fields. This notion of time being experienced differently under certain conditions reflects the Quranic description of time being relative, such as a day being equivalent to 50,000 years. Rain and the water cycle, meteorology. Quran, chapter 23 ayah 18. And we sent down from the sky water in measure and settled it in the earth, and indeed, we are able to take it away. Quran, chapter 15 ayah 22. And we send the fertilizing winds and send down water from the sky and give you drink from it. And you are not its retainers. Scientific discovery. The water cycle, including evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, was scientifically explained between the 16th and 17th centuries. This process is responsible for the distribution of water on Earth, supporting ecosystems and human life, in line with the Quran's descriptions of rain and its role in nurturing life. The development of milk in cattle, biology. Quran chapter 16 ayah 66. And indeed, for you in grazing livestock is a lesson. We give you drink from what is in their bellies, between excretion and blood, pure milk, palatable to drinkers. Scientific discovery. In the 19th century, scientists understood how milk is produced from digested food that enters the bloodstream, which is filtered by the mammary glands to produce milk. This biological process is in alignment with the Quran's description. Life forms, creation of male and female in pairs, biology. Quran, chapter 51 ayah 49. And of all things we created two mates, perhaps you will remember. Quran, chapter 36 ayah 36. Exalted is he who created all pairs, from what the earth grows and from themselves and from that which they do not know. Quran, chapter 53 ayah 45. That he did create in pairs, male and female. Scientific discovery. The concept of pairing, particularly male and female counterparts in living organisms, is foundational in biology. The discovery of sexual reproduction. As the primary means of propagation for many species was scientifically understood between the 17th and 19th centuries. This concept is consistently found across species in both the plant and animal kingdoms. Confirming the Quran's statements about creation in pairs. The darkness in the depths of the seas, oceanography. Quran chapter 24 ayah 40. Or, the unbeliever's state, is like the depths of darkness in a vast deep ocean, which is covered by waves, upon which are waves, over which are clouds, darknesses, some of them upon others. When one puts out his hand therein, he can hardly see it. And he to whom Allah has not granted light, for him there is no light. Scientific discovery. In the 20th century, deep-sea exploration revealed that beyond certain depths, light cannot penetrate the ocean, resulting in complete darkness. This discovery aligns with the Quran's vivid description of the deep-sea darkness. The healing properties of honey, medicine and biology. Quran chapter 16 ayah 68 and 69. And thy Lord taught the bee to build its cells in hills, on trees, and in men's habitations, then eat from all the fruits and follow the ways of your Lord laid down for you. There emerges from their bellies a drink, varying in colors, in which there is healing for mankind. Indeed, in that is a sign for a people who give thought. Scientific discovery. Research in the 20th century confirmed that honey has medicinal properties, including its ability to act as an antimicrobial agent, promoting healing and protecting against infections. This scientific finding validates the Quran's reference to honey's healing powers. The uniqueness of human fingerprints, biology. Quran chapter 75 ayah 3 and 4. Does man think that we cannot assemble his bones? Yes, we are able to put together in perfect order the very tips of his fingers. Scientific discovery. In the 19th century, scientists discovered that fingerprints are unique to every individual, making them a valuable tool for identification. This discovery supports the Quran's mention of the uniqueness of human fingertips. The decreasing oxygen in high altitudes, atmospheric science. The Quran describes how breathing becomes difficult at high altitudes, a fact confirmed by modern atmospheric science. Quran chapter 6 ayah 125. So whoever Allah wants to guide he opens their breast to Islam, and whoever he wants to misguide, he makes his breast tight and constricted as though he were climbing into the sky. Scientific discovery. In the 20th century, scientists discovered that the air becomes thinner, and oxygen levels decrease at higher altitudes, making it difficult to breathe. This phenomenon aligns with the Quran's description of constricted breathing at high elevations. The three protective layers surrounding the fetus, embryology. The Quran refers to the development of the human embryo in the mother's womb as being within 3 layers of darkness, or 3 layers of protection. Quran chapter 39 ayah 6. He creates you in the wombs of your mothers, in stages, one after another, in 3 veils of darkness. That is Allah, your Lord, to him belongs dominion. Scientific discovery. Modern embryology, developed between the 19th and 20th centuries, confirms that the fetus is surrounded by 3 protective layers, the abdominal wall, uterine wall, and amniotic sac. These layers safeguard and nourish the fetus during development, aligning with the Quran's description of the 3 veils of darkness, revealed in 632 CE, 1,400 years ago. The role of winds in pollination, botany. Quran, Surah 15 ayah 22. And we have sent the fertilizing winds and sent down water from the sky and given you drink from it. Scientific discovery. In the 19th century, botanists discovered that winds help disperse pollen, playing a key role in fertilizing plants. This natural process supports plant reproduction, aligning with the Quran's reference to winds carrying fertilizing agents. Sleep as a state of temporary death, biology. The Quran refers to sleep as a state akin to temporary death, which aligns with modern sleep research. Quran chapter 39 ayah 42. Allah takes the souls at the time of their death, and those that do not die he takes during their sleep. Then he keeps those for which he has decreed death and releases the others for a specified term. Indeed, in that are signs for a people who give thought. Scientific discovery. In the 20th century, sleep researchers discovered that sleep consists of stages, during which the brain undergoes cycles of deep rest, some resembling a near-death state in terms of consciousness. This supports the Quran's reference to sleep as a temporary death. O believers, we have explored only a few of the many scientific phenomena described in the Quran, and as science progresses, it continues to confirm the truths revealed in the Quran in 632 CE, over 1,400 years ago. This is no coincidence, it highlights the divine wisdom within the Quran. Beyond science, these verses carry profound lessons on how to live with morality, justice, and purpose. The fact that modern discoveries align with the Quran's revelations is a serious reminder to take heed of every word in the Quran. We must lead our lives according to its guidance, preparing not only for this life but for the life hereafter. The Quran is a divine message meant to shape our actions and ensure our success in both worlds. Let us reflect deeply and live accordingly. Quran, Surah 2, Ayah 2. This is the book about which there is no doubt, a guidance for those conscious of Allah.